Understanding Keep It Low, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, keep it low. This is a phrase you might encounter in everyday conversation, and understanding it can really add to your English communication skills. So, let's dive in. Keep it low literally means to maintain something at a low level. This could refer to the volume of your voice, the height of something, or even the intensity of an activity. It's a direct request or instruction that's easy to follow once you know what is being referred to. The phrase can also be used figuratively. For example, if someone says, keep it low, in the context of a conversation, they could be asking you to keep the information confidential or to not draw attention to it. It's often used when discretion is important. Let's see how this phrase works in different scenarios. In a library, please keep your voice low. This is a quiet area. At a concert, we're at the back, so keep the banner low so everyone can see the stage. Discussing sensitive information. This is just between us, so keep it low. In some cultures, speaking loudly or drawing attention is frowned upon, so keeping it low might be a cultural expectation rather than just a personal request. It's good to be aware of these nuances when communicating in English with people from different backgrounds. And that's a wrap on the phrase, keep it low. Remember, whether it's about volume, visibility, or confidentiality, the key takeaway is to maintain a low profile in the given context. We hope this explanation helps you in your English learning journey. See you in the next video, and until then, keep practicing.